Hey guys, welcome back to another Cutright Customs. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your windshield washer fluid reservoir and remove all the extra little bits that you don't need once you remove it. So, remember last week I had the problem, and you can tell that I filled this up and it was literally leaking from right in here. Right down here, it leaks all out and comes out. So I'm figuring I should just remove it because I don't really need it. Anyways, I don't ever use it. As you can see down here, there seems to be some wires that runs all the way up. And then it comes around all the way up here and comes this should be, I believe so. Well, I mean, once I start taking it apart, I can tell better. I can't really tell exactly where all these wires run to. This might actually be part of my radiator stuff. So I don't want to touch that wire, but I do want to remove this. But to remove this, I do believe I'll have to remove this as well first, so then I can remove all the wiring that runs around everywhere. So that removes all that. Now we have to go and run this wire all the way out from here and up to remove it from up there. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, so now I should be able to just take this off. Let's hope. So finally got that off. As you can see, I'm stepping on all my screws. There's about 20 or 30 over here. BMW loves to shove screws everywhere, I'm assuming. So now I just gotta follow these wires up all the way and just remove them. So let's go ahead and start following these up. So I'm gonna show you how to remove these from the top. Set these down. Flathead. Now you see these right here should be able just to push up ever so slightly. I'm not trying to scratch my car, but you're supposed to just be able to push them straight up. But it's not working right now. Give me 1 second and maybe I can find something I can slide under here. I don't really want to scratch my paint up. Got that one out. Now let me show you exactly how to get it out. So what you want to do is right here, this tube, if you can pull it all the way off, then you should be able to just pull it straight out. So let me go ahead and take that out and then I'll show you.
Played that boy.
Pull this off. All right. Now, let's go ahead and move this line. We did not need it in there. Now this line I gotta figure out exactly where I want to try to wrap it up and keep it. Probably just try to shove it back right here. I mean, it's kind of where it was until I remove it all anyways, which I'll do in a little bit. It's just at the moment I want to show y'all this. So should be able to just push this right here. So you'll push it from the back side and kind of wiggle it if it'll come loose. and it comes out. Let's go ahead and take these wires out. Not too sure what I'm gonna do with them. I'll probably cut them down and then tape it up so that way it's not all out and about. Plus I don't know really what these wires are even to. I'm pretty sure they're just go straight to my electrical inside for the switch to run. But yeah, I mean, other than that, to do it, all you really have to do is you undo this bolt, which undoes this, which I don't really understand what it does. This is not too sure, but you undo this bolt that holds it down, pull it out, tighten this back up so this will set here. I don't really know what it is for, but then, you know, all your stuff comes undone. So even with taking this off, which took me a while, and pushing everything out, it took about 30 minutes. All I have left is really just to wrap these up. Not really too sure where this actually runs or what it does. I mean, this was connected, but this is something else. I just know these two wires were taped up and all that with it. So I'll probably try to cut these apart, take these out because I don't really need them. They're not doing much. They just run all the way through, then around. But yeah, I'm gonna probably cut these off, tape them up, put them somewhere where they're not gonna come undone, and then yeah, that should be it. Shouldn't have any problems. So 30 minutes and you can do this yourself. So update, I cut all this out because I told y'all we don't really need it. It was extra, and I went back through and connected any duplicate wires that was the same, and then rewrapped everything else that wasn't the same and different, and as you can see, connected them and taped them up in purple wire, well, purple tape, so that way I know what was done and what wasn't done. And then eventually I'll probably go back through here and take it all the way out, from all the way from up there all the way through. But yeah, that's probably a total of 5 pounds I just took out. Nice. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that notification bell. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.